Hey everyone, it's James. Welcome to the video. Today I got another showcase with an API actor, and this one's called the Reddit Problem Finder. I came up with the idea for this one because I've built some tools in the past, but I've always run into the issue, how can I find the right people that my tools can help? So one way that I've seen people market their tools, products or services is using Reddit, the social media platform. So basically what they were doing is they would search up a topic. I'm choosing business lead generation as the topic, as the tool I wrote before finds all local businesses in a certain area, their contact numbers, websites. So I was trying to find the people that had problems, issues with lead generation based on this topic. So what they can do is you got to find a relevant post, which takes time. So for example, this small business lead gen post, we can see this guy is focused on getting more business to business corporate clients. So in this case, this guy, my tool could help. As these business to business corporate clients, the tool can help him find the numbers, website, contact details, so we can reach out to these other businesses to help whatever his business use case might be. Finding these problem posts can be time consuming, and just sifting through all the irrelevant posts that are nothing to do with what we're actually looking for also takes time. So I've made a solution to that with my tool, the Reddit Problem Finder. What it does is it sifts through and filters out all the posts that are relevant to a certain topic and only outputs the ones where a user has a problem, issue that your product or service can solve. So now I'm going to show you how you can use this tool to find the problem post. The tool takes in 3 parameters. It takes in a search query. This is just the topic that you want to search for in the post. And then it takes in keywords and phrases. You can use as many as you want here, but basically if these keywords are in the post or the body of the post, then it will check if the post itself is a user with a problem or issue that's wanting to be solved. Once you're ready with all your parameters, all you have to do is press start. So once it's finished running, in this case it only took 22 seconds, and we can see we've got 95 results. We'll just take a look at the output. And the output has the total number of comments for a post, the total upvotes for a post, the title of the post, and a link to that post. And also, if we want to export, we can just go in here, pick the format that we want, Excel, CSV, JSON, and just press download. And looking at this top post here, lead generation is hard. So we can click on this to go check out that post. And if this is relevant to our product or service, we can leave a comment with a link to it. And then the OP of this post, they may go to it, use it, and find it useful. Or any people in the future that come across this post, or people in the comments, will also see your link and could potentially go and use it. Or another use case could be you're just trying to find what people are having problems with, so you can make a product or service to solve that problem. Thanks guys. If you found this video interesting and maybe found this tool could potentially be useful for your use case. I'll leave a link in the description. Otherwise, see you in the next one, guys. Thank you.